Hey everybody, it's Kelly Lehman and Lucy, and today's video is going to show you how to pick out some great peonies for end of season prices, where to find them, how to pick them out, and how to get the best bang for your buck. So we hope you enjoy it. Have a great day everybody. Hey everybody, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields, and I'm here today at one of the Home Depots in New Jersey. It's actually the second Home Depot that I'm hitting today. It's the beginning of June. And I'm not here to buy these beautiful knockout roses that I absolutely love. They're a terrific landscaping plant. These babies are a real winner. What I'm here for are the plants that don't look quite so spectacular. Now these guys are going for their regular price because they look fabulous and they're in season. So these are the ones that everybody's kind of attracted to. The flowers and the shrubs and the perennials that people are not attracted to are kind of thrown in the back. So if you come way back where like the gravel and the soil extra inventory bags are, you'll find your 50% off racks. And this is the best place to shop for perennials because perennials come back every year. So I'm checking out their 50% off peonies, and I know they're 50% off because I just totally went bananas at the other Home Depot. And here's what some of these bargains look like. So this guy was normally $40. Show you the skew. He's now about 20, and he looks beat up and a little bit gnarly and all burnt out, and is probably not getting too much attention, which is why he's on the discount rack. He's not going to bloom again until next year. However, when he does come back, this peony is a Sarah Bernhardt. It's my favorite type of peony. He will be covered with these amazing blooms that look like this. And peony plants are really easy to maintain. They come back for the most part year after year. Some people call them the 100-year plant because some varieties have been known to last 100 years. So I'm going to clean them out of these giant ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the rest of the racks. They've got some smaller ones here too. This pot is like almost $18, so I think when I get to, they'll take the 50% off of these, and I love these too. These are more of a red variety, but when I'm checking out the plants I'm bringing home, I want to make sure that they're good plants. So what I'm looking for are stems that are super green and sturdy. These guys look really good. They look really healthy, and I'm looking for a lot of green leaves on top, because that means the plant is pretty healthy. Every now and then I'll see like a broken branch here. Don't worry, it's okay, because when you get home, you're just gonna kind of clip this guy off with a clipper. The rest of these stems look terrific. You'll do a quick little weeding, take some of these bad boys out. But for the most part, these stems are looking pretty healthy, and it has a lot of green leaves on it. So these two guys are definitely coming back to Cranbury Fields today. And I'm taking a look at who else I might be bringing home. And this is the whole commitment arena here. This guy I'm not so sure, because he looks very burnt out on the bottom. It looks like it might have gotten too much water. It's just not looking as healthy as my other choices. So a healthier choice, without all these brown leaves and brown stems, would be his buddy next to him. So even though the stems are not as green as the larger ones above, they were also a little bit greener because they were also a more mature plant, probably older. But these leaves are looking pretty green, and for the most part, it looks pretty healthy. So this guy's going home with me. I'm sorry, this guy I have to leave behind. And some of the other guys in the back are looking a little gnarly. Same thing, a little, I can't commit, guys, sorry. So I'm going to leave this one here because I don't know that he will come back next year. But the one next to him I'll probably take, and this guy's looking pretty good too. Once again, I look for those really healthy leaves. And if you see some brown spots on the leaves, it's not a big deal unless the leaves are totally covered and you know, I mean, they look like this. That's definitely not a good idea. But if there's a couple brown spots, it's not a big deal. My peonies get them towards the end of the season, and unless it's really bad, I wouldn't get too crazy. So this is a whole bunch of new friends that we're going to bring to the farm. Looking to see who else they have. These guys are looking good up here. Once again, I'm looking for those really green leaves and not any kind of gnarly, broken looking stuff going on in the bottom. So I'm probably going to wind up taking this gigantic rack with me. I like when people see me pulling up to the cash register with this giant rack. I'm always the favorite person as everyone's grumbling as they're ringing up all these plants. But so take a look at your Home Depots, your Lowe's, some of the landscaping and planting stores near you. All of them do this because they don't want to keep this plant as inventory, because he's not going to look spectacular again like the knockout roses do, you know, full in bloom and all gorgeousy. These peonies won't look gorgeous again until next May. So the last thing that Home Depot or Lowe's or your plant store or your nurseries want to do is to take care of these guys. They don't want to have to water them every day. They don't want to have to make sure that, you know, that they don't freeze. They just want to make sure that they move them. So they are priced to move. I don't recommend waiting too long because these will go on sale again. The problem with waiting too long is that there's nothing left. So some people will say, oh, I want to wait till they go to 60% off or more. Then you're going to wind up with all the crummy ones that we just gave thumbs down to. So it's a good idea to, you know, to kind of wait for the end of the season, but don't wait too long or you're not going to have the healthy plants to choose from. So just another tip from Cranbury Fields, and I hope you can grab some of these babies for your garden. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.